Hello guys, today we will know how to refund through PayPal app in your mobile. So here when I logged in my PayPal app, you can see there is no option to refund. So what I'll gonna do is that I'll just open a Chrome browser from my mobile, and then we'll open this website paypal.com. And so I just hid my email address. After that, you can see the first screen. Now you just need to click on the activity overview. So once you click on that, it will show your current balance, which is 9.36 USD. Now I would click on the hamburger sign, and after that I'll just click on the activity. So once I'll click on the activity, it will show the details of all the payments which has been made or have been received. So I'll just go to the right side, and from the drop down option I will select refund. It will go to the refund screen, and here if I want to change the amount, if I want to refund partial payment, I will change that, or otherwise the full payment. So I will just select it, and under that there is a tab which says issued refund. So I'll just click on it. So after that it will show that the fund has been refunded to the buyer. So this is it, and now it is showing me that they have completely refunded the amount, 9.36, and the fee that had been deducted by the PayPal, that was also been refunded to the buyer. So here is the detail of activity. So complete summary of my payment refunds and all. Thank you.